to keep a roof over your head. Wiped out, you still cannot sleep, toss and turn in bed. You yearn for better days to come, dream of owning your own home. When gardening you prepare the ground, growing trees and seed. Leaves and flowers will abound, watering as you weed. You cannot harvest, eat the fruit before it's ripe, it won't taste good. The way you live decides how life unfolds, how you grow old, where your destiny guides. Your story's altered as it's told. Set in stone, you grow and you adapt. It's not about you on your own, you thrive as you connect. When things go wrong, change the mix, solve the problems you can fix. Your life is like a work of art, shape the form it takes. Make your decisions from the heart, your future is at stake. Weave, unpick, reweave, retrieve, visions take time to achieve. The way you live decides how life unfolds, how you grow old, where your destiny guides. Your story's altered as it's told. The more you learn and understand, the better it works out. If you are going round a bend, there can't be any doubt. You are burned out, relent my friend, let life guide you till the end. The way you live decides how life unfolds, how you grow old, where your destiny guides. Your story's altered as it's told.